Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is all about face steaming. So basically in this video I am going to share with you what is face steaming, how to do it at home, and also some tips and tricks, and yes, most importantly the benefits of face steaming. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So in this video I am going to discuss everything in step by step and in detail, so that after this video you don't have any doubt regarding face steaming. So let's start from the basic. Now face steaming is basically let your face absorb the steam from a face steamer or from a bowl of very hot water, or simply take your towel, dip it into hot water and simply put it on all over your face. So basically this is what we call face steaming, and face steaming also known as face sauna. So now you know what is face steaming. Now let's quickly talk about the benefits of face steaming, because obviously why you will waste your time into steam your face. So the very first benefit is that it deep cleans your face, because when you take steam it open up your pores and the dirt and bacteria can easily be removed from your face. So that's how it deep clean your face. The second important benefit is it detoxify your skin, because when you take steam you also sweat, and it sweat a lot more than usual, and by sweating you also remove toxin from your face. The next benefit is it also prevent acne, because clogged pore is the main reason behind acne, and when you take steam your pores open up and the dirt and the bacteria and everything, the hardened sebum which was causing the acne, it can be removed easily. So steaming also prevent acne. The next important thing is it also prevent whitehead and blackheads. But let's understand before what causes whitehead and blackheads. It's basically because our skin produce sebum, but when the sebum gets stuck into our pores, it causes blackheads and whiteheads. And the steaming, and the main purpose of steaming is to clean your pores. So when it open up your pores, it also clean them, melt the hardened sebum into your pores. So that's how it also prevent whitehead and blackheads. The next important benefit is it also decrease the signs of aging. Isn't it cool? Because you can decrease the signs of aging by also taking steam. I am saying you how. When you take steam, it triggers the blood circulation, and when you take steam, it also triggers a thermoregulating response which causes the blood vessel to dilate, and that's how it promotes blood flow, and through the blood flow the oxygen and the nutrition increases in your face. The next benefit of steaming is that it not only help to clean your face, but it also helps to penetrate other products better into your skin, because when you take steam your pores open up, and that's how other product can deeply penetrate into your skin. Steaming is also beneficial for those people who have dry skin, because steaming hydrates your skin, but if you do it too frequently it will make your skin drier, because steam causes sweat, and more sweat mean dehydrated skin. So if you have dry skin, do it, but don't do it too frequently. And the last thing is that it is relaxing. Yes, it is. Just imagine it's a lonely room, and here are some music going on, soothing, calming music, and yes, you are doing a face steaming sitting on a chair. And you can also use essential oils for more soothing and calming vibes, or vibes scent, or you can even use some scented candle to just freshen up your mind. And yes, it is also affordable. So what are you waiting for? Just go and do steaming. I mean, include face steaming into your skincare routine. But wait, when and how frequent you should do it? You should do it only once a week, and yes, that's enough. That's more than enough. If you have normal skin, do it once a week for 12 minutes. If you have dry skin, do it once a week for 10 minutes. And if you have oily skin, do it twice a week for 10 minutes, but do it for temporarily. Once you feel that your face is oily, I mean your skin type is oily, but you don't have that much clogged pores or your skin is not that much oily, then stop doing it twice a week. Start using it once a week for only 10 minutes, and that's it. But there are some steps before and after the steaming, but this is not that much tricky. Just listen to me, it's so easy. The first step is that cleaning your face, because obviously you can't do steaming on a dirty face, so you have to clean your face. So for that you can use a face wash, then use steaming, or you can use a hydration serum, but this is totally optional. If you are feeling that you need some serum, but or you like to use serum, then you can use it, but this step is totally optional. So you can use a serum and then do steaming, and after the steaming you should do a face mask, and then use a face mist and your moisturizer or serum, and then finish it off with a sunscreen. And if you're doing it at the night time, you don't need to use sunscreen. The next thing is that you should not use new product after steaming, because you don't know the new product will suit your face or not, and if it will react badly. So don't use new product just after the steaming. So this is all, ladies. I hope this video was helpful and I am able to clear all your doubt about face steaming and all your query also. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends and family. And you can also follow me on my social media handle. Link will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and ta-ta.